Okay, so I'm going to change the carburetor on this weed eater motor. Hopefully it fits. Also going to do the fuel lines, and the primer bulb on this one doesn't seem to work, so I thought I might as well change the whole carburetor and see if that fixes things. So just pulling that air filter cover off, take the air filter out, and I'm going to drain this fuel before I start, because I'm going to have to pull the fuel filter out. Take these fuel lines off. Take these fuel lines out. So we'll have to pull this fuel filter out. There we go. And oh, should have really got another one of these. I think that's the one that will suck the fuel. So put that one on there. And then this one on here. Just going to take these bolts off. Okay, so that's on there. Put this back on. Okay, that seems to go together quite well. Give this a bit of a tighten, torque it down. So I guess next thing is going to be to put the these fuel lines in, and if you try do them just just like that. It's going to be quite difficult, so what we're going to do is cut on an angle at the end so that it's easy to get in. Okay, so try that now. Perfect. And this longer one is going to go, we'll put it in and then we'll put the fuel filter on. So I'll just cut this at a nice angle. That's gone in, I think, yep. And we'll see if we can pull, if I can get that fuel line. Put this fuel filter on the end. Yes, so that'll have to do for now, and slide that back in. And I guess that's pretty much it.